Viva! Welcome to City of San Fernando, La Union! Tara!
What's up guys, it's your Viva Boy Liam, and I am going to a famous destination here at City of San Fernando, La Union, which is the Macho Temple. So before that, I'm going to see you later. Bye! Folks, Macho Temple. So finally I am here. After a long walk, have to walk again to reach the top. So there it is. The Macho Temple nests atop a hill overlooking the beautiful San Fernando Bay of the town of City of San Fernando, La Union. The Macho Temple was constructed in honor of Macho, a Chinese deity of the Sung dynasty. Macho hailed from the scenic island of Moichao, province of Fujian, in southeastern China in the Philippines. Among Christians, Macho is known as the Virgin of Kaysasay. The image of the Virgin of Kaysasay first appeared in Taal, Batangas, 1603. Presently, it is enshrined in the town's Basilica of Saint Martin. So that is Macho Temple. That is it for today. So yun na mga kailangan nyo malaman about sa Macho Temple, one of the greatest tourist destination here at City of San Fernando, La Union. Now for our next destination, we are going to meet up with our couple of friends vlogger who are of course, Regine, Richard, Melvic, and Jasron now. Let's go. Bye. What's up mga kawiva? So for today's vlog is we are going to ask random people what are their perspective and of our locality, City of San Fernando, La Union. So maghanap lang tayo ng target na pwedeng matanungan, ma-interview. May nakita na ba kayo? Maging Dora tayo ngayon. Tiritit.
May tatanong lang kami sa'yo. Do you have any short knowledge about the history mo?
Meron po. Dati po, ang City of San Fernando ay tinatawag na Pindangan. Kaya, pag nire-represent po ang San Fernando, Pindangan Festival po ang festival dito sa City of San Fernando.
Marirecommend ko ba ang City of San Fernando out of this?
Yes, marirecommend ko ang City of San Fernando kasi bukod sa very hospitable ang mga tao sa City of San Fernando, marami rin mga gandang pwedeng pasyalan like Machu Temple, Pindangan Ruins. Meron din po tayong ang City of San Fernando kasi ang karamihang kabuhayan ng mga tao ay farming and fishing. So, dun pa lang sa fishing, host area ang City of San Fernando. Tulad sa Poro, meron din. So, pwedeng pasyalan din ng mga tourists or foreigners.
Yun na lang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Kahit ano po, basta part po ng Pindangan, history po ganun.
Yung history ng Pindangan, yung simbahan, yung kwan, 1664. Yung simbahan na yan, ang dagat, yung dagat sa simbahan, ang dagat nun, maluwang pang dagat. Umaabot dito sa Pindangan, likod ng Pindangan. Kaya tinawag na Pindangan yan, ang business ng mga Madrid yan, bumibili silang isda, pinipinda nila, yung binibilad nila. Nung pagka binibilad nila yan, pinapamahagi sa mga tao dito sa Pindangan. O kaya binibenta nila. Kasi ang Pindangan, ito ang unang bayan, ito ang unang simbahan dito sa La Union. Pag binabating yung kampana, tuwing linggo, bababa yung mga tao. Yung harapan ng simbahan sa side niya, sa Pindangan Church, doon ang palengke. Doon ang palengkehan noon. Kasi wala pang sasakyan noon, mga ano lang, pasagad. Alisa, yan ang sinasakyan nila. Ayan, hanggang Bawang, hanggang San Juan, dito sila namamalingki. Kasi yung kampana noon malakas. Pag kinampana yun, aabot ng Bawang hanggang Juan. Yun ang sinyalis na may palengke. Yung bintahan ng kalakalan. Tuwing ano yan, linggo. 1664 yan.
1664.
Kasi tinayo yan ang unang simbahan ng 1664. Tinayo na yung simbahan na yan. Yun ang history ng Pindangan.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Kuya.
The province of La Union is a popular tourist destination, with more and more visitors coming every year to get a glimpse of the many fascinating attractions here. Besides its fascinating beaches for swimming and surfing, La Union also has Pagoda Hill, situated in the city of San Fernando, La Union, the capital city of La Union. Pagoda Hill is comprised of Chinese-themed architecture atop a hill which has commanding an amazing view of our city, San Fernando, La Union. Pagoda Hill is also known as the Filipino-Chinese Friendship Park or Chinese Pagoda because it commemorates the bond of friendship and the deep, long history between the Filipino and Chinese people. Pagoda Hill is a popular place for sightseeing and strolling, has long been established as a place for people to meet, talk, and relax. Amidst the wonderful background of San Fernando, landscape and cityscape, it is also a popular place for couples, friends, and old-timers alike. People have always reminded seeing the beautiful La Union sunset from the sun deck.